I wanted to take a moment and do something different today because when you're busy, because of course you're a high achieving individual, you may think to yourself that you don't have time to do certain things. One of those things might be meditation. I think we need to talk about that, okay? Meditation has become something very powerful for me. I remember when I first started to do it, my brain would wander and it would go all over the place. And if I had 5 minutes to meditate, I would spend 4 minutes and 59 seconds thinking about my grocery list and the things that I have to do. However, over time, I was able to train my brain to meditate. Now, when you're busy, probably the first thing you're going to say is, I don't have time to meditate. And so this particular video is created just for you. And because you are so busy, we're going to introduce you to a meditative practice known as breath work. And in this video, we're going to do 2 different breathwork exercises that you can do anytime. They take less than a minute. And if you're saying, well, meditation usually means I have to do this and move it. No. The thing about meditation is that it is an opportunity for us to be intentionally mindful and present. And so in this moment, we are focused on what we're doing. We're not focused on what has happened. We're not focused on what will happen. We're only focused on what is happening. And so I want to introduce to you some breathwork exercises that I think will help you as you're going about your day. Because the truth of the matter is that many of us do not breathe from our diaphragms. And I must tell you, as an integrative nutrition health coach, that it is important that we do that for a myriad of reasons that I'd probably have to put into another video. But the first breathwork technique I want to introduce to you was, I believe, created or introduced by Dr. 𝗵𝗄𝗏. And it's called 4-7-8. And if for some reason my instructions aren't amazing with this, I'm going to actually put a link to 4-7-8 and a little bit more information about it below. How it works is that we inhale for 4 counts, we hold that breath for 7 counts, and then we exhale for 8 counts. So we are inhaling for 4, holding for 7, exhaling for 8. When you exhale, you want to make sure that you are doing it slowly, almost to the point where you may feel your shoulders and your core go concave, because you want to blow all of that out. And so optimally, you would do this 3 times, but if you could do it 6, that's amazing as well. But again, these are things that you can do. These are meditative practices that you can do even if you're busy. And of course, all high achieving individuals are busy because you always have things to do. So this is a moment, I'm inviting you into this moment to be intentionally mindful and present. And we're going to use your breath to make it so. All right? So just get comfortable. And we already have the mood set. We've had this, really moody music. I'm not on camera, so you don't have to worry about what color my lips are today. And I want you to just get comfortable for just a moment and stop thinking about how busy you are. And I want you to listen to me count. I'm not going to tell you to breathe or anything. I want you to hear the counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's what the count is going to sound like. So at the moment you hear 7, you'll know when I hit 8, you'll begin to exhale. Now, normally when I teach this, you may have a little bit of an extra beat and a half because I'm going to give you instructions, but I wanted to give you a taste of the count. So right now we're going to do 4, 7, 8. On my count, we inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take one deep inhale, blow it out, exhale, and assess how you feel. Now, in teaching meditation, I have learned that some people may have difficulty holding for the 7 counts. And so in that scenario, we modified the 4, 7, 8 to a 4, 4, 4. And that's another breathing technique. And I guess you could use any count, but 4, 7, 8, 4, 4, 4 are my go-tos. And so we do the same thing, we just have a shorter hold time and a shorter exhale time. Same inhale, shorter hold, shorter exhale. I'm going to give you an example in the event that you want to try this as well. And we inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a little bit shorter, but if you have challenges of the respiratory kind, it could be helpful. If you're getting over a cold, sometimes you have diminished capacity, and so I wanted to give you that option. Nevertheless, hopefully these are tools that you can use to meditate even if you're busy, because it's important. It's important that you take time for you. Now, this is the first video of a 2-part series, so I look forward to seeing you on the next video.